our next topic is functions of a leaf. We have read about the parts of a leaf. Now, what are the functions of a leaf? A leaf performs the following functions. The leaf of a plant makes food. Therefore, it is called as the food factory of a plant. Next, it helps a plant to let air in and out through stomata. Now, two main functions of the leaf is, one is it makes food for the plant. Makes food for the plant and is called the food factory of the plant. This is first function. We know that plants, they make their own food because they have a green colored substance in their leaves, that is chlorophyll, and in the presence of chlorophyll only plants can make food. So that is why food is only prepared in the leaves. The leaves are green, chlorophyll is present over there. That is why they are able to prepare food. So that is why leaves, they are called the food factory of the plant. And next function of leaves is exchange of gases, that I have told you now only, that the special part, that is stomata, that is present underside of the leaf, and their function is to let air flow in and out of the leaf. So stomata क्या allow करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन बाहर निकालने के लिए and carbon dioxide अंदर लेने के लिए. So two main functions of the leaves are they make food for the plant, and second function is they help in exchange of gases through the stomata. So that are the two functions of leaf. Now, sorry, there is a fact file given on the right hand side. What is written over there? Let's read. What is the fact? Plants too need food. Plants too need oxygen to stay alive. On the one hand, during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. On the other hand side, during breakdown of food, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Both these processes occur at the same time within a plant leaf. Now, what do we say? We say that plants, they give out oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. That is why we are able to take oxygen. वो दे रहे हैं हमें ऑक्सीजन, तभी तो हम ले रहे हैं. And the carbon dioxide that we are releasing, the plants are taking. जो हम छोड़ते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वो plants लेते हैं to make their food. Now, what is fact over here? That plants give oxygen and take in carbon dioxide, and they also give carbon dioxide and take in oxygen. वो दोनों लेते हैं, ऑक्सीजन भी लेते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी लेते हैं. ऑक्सीजन देते भी हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी छोड़ते भी हैं. हाउ? बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस, जब वो खाना प्रिपेयर करते हैं अपने लिए प्लांट्स, देन व्हाट डू दे नीड? दे नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. फोटोसिंथेसिस के ड्यूरिंग उनको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड चाहिए. दैट इज एसेंशियल फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अ फूड. Photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, what do they need? They need carbon dioxide and what do they give out? बाहर क्या देते हैं? That is oxygen that we take, जो हम लेते हैं. This is during photosynthesis. ड्यूरिंग ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड, जब वो खाना ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं, ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड, तब वो क्या लेते हैं? ऑक्सीजन. एंड व्हाट डू दे गिव आउट? दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. देन वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर निकालते हैं, ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं. एंड दीज टू प्रोसेसेस दे गो साइमल्टेनियसली. वो इकट्ठे ही चलते हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ food. See on the left line, both these processes occur at the same time within a leaf. जब photosynthesis हो रही होती है तभी breakdown हो रही होती है, because फूड इज ऑलरेडी स्टोर्ड इन द लीफ, बन भी रहा है तो स्टोर हुआ भी पड़ा है पहले से, so that food is breaking down and new food is being made over there. So during photosynthesis, during the preparation of food in plants, they take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and during breaking down of food they take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and these two processes, that is photosynthesis and breaking down of food, they go simultaneously. ये दोनों ही प्रोसेसेस एक ही टाइम पे चलते हैं. Next topic is how do leaves make food. Now, how do leaves make food? कैसे बनाते हैं leaves food? That we are going to study. Green plants make their own food with the help of chlorophyll present in their leaves. They use light, water and carbon dioxide present in the air as raw materials to make their food. These raw materials are obtained through the processes given below. Now, plants make their food by the process of photosynthesis. जिस प्रोसेस से वो खाना बनाते हैं उसे बोलते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस. एंड व्हाट डू दे नीड फॉर इट? क्या रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए? एज वी मेक फूड एट होम ड्यूरिंग मेकिंग वेजिटेबल, व्हाट योर मदर नीड्स. सपोज यू आर मेकिंग वेजिटेबल ऑफ लेडी फिंगर की आपने सब्जी बनानी है, तो व्हाट डू यू नीड फॉर दैट? यू विल नीड लेडी फिंगर, अनियन, पोटैटो, टोमेटो फॉर दैट. So the things that you will need for preparation of that vegetable, that is called raw material. जो भी सामान आपको चाहिए उसको बनाने के लिए, the spices that you are adding, so that is called raw material. So the same way as the plants, they are making food, they make food, so they also need raw material. उन्हें भी कोई raw material चाहिए for the preparation of food. Now what is that raw material? That is called, that are the first is light चाहिए उनको, water and carbon dioxide. So this is the raw material that plants need to make their food. And how do they get this raw material? That we are going to study. कि ये raw material, ये सामान, वो कंटेंट जो भी है वो कहाँ से लेते हैं? That we will read now. Water is absorbed by the roots and carried through the stem to the leaves. Now, from where the water comes? Water कहाँ से आता है? Water, obviously it will come from the roots. Plants, they have roots that are embedded in the soil, and when we water the plants, soil absorb that water, and from the soil, roots they absorb that water. These are the roots. Roots, they are absorbing water from the soil. This is soil everywhere. So water, it is coming from the soil. These are the roots. This is the stem. From roots, they are absorbing water, and water is going up through the stem and it is going to the leaves where food is being prepared. जहाँ खाना बनना है वहां तक पानी वो through the stem वो चला जाएगा. Next, when light falls on the leaves, it is absorbed by chlorophyll. Now from where light is coming? Light is coming from the sunlight and it is absorbed by the chlorophyll, because leaves, they are green due to the presence of green pigment, that is chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, it absorbs the sunlight. So next raw material is coming from the sunlight, and last is carbon dioxide, from where I have told you that exchange of gases, it occurs through the stomata. that is present on the underside of the leaf, जो नीचे present है stomata holes. So carbon dioxide from the environment, it is coming through the stomata. जो environment में present, that we are releasing, जो हम छोड़ रहे हैं carbon dioxide, that is inhaled or that is taken in by the plant through the stomata. So these three raw materials, they are coming like this. Water is absorbed through the roots. Light is coming from the sunlight, and next what is left? Carbon dioxide, that is coming from the environment, that is through the stomata. It is absorbed by the stomata. So we'll continue this in the next lecture. Go through this that we have read today, then you will not have any problem. Thank you and have a nice day.